Hi there! Welcome to RussianFlora. We are here to help you place multiple gift orders at once. Don't worry, it'll only take a minute or two. First, go to www.RussianFlora.com and scroll to the upper right-hand corner, pointing towards the green Excel icon. Click the icon and you download the bulk order form. Now open the Excel form and fill out the customer information section. If you're ordering on behalf of your company, your recipients won't be able to see this information. They'll only see what you put on the greeting card. But we'll get to that later. Once you've filled out the contact information, scroll down to see the recipient and product info. The first line in the table is given as an example. Please don't delete it. Just provide the information you have right under it. Use one row for each recipient and please don't skip any rows. The first column is address type. If you are sending a gift to a company, then it should read business. If it goes to the recipient's home address, then it is residential. The company name is not required if this is a personal gift or being delivered to a residence rather than an office. When you're filling out the recipient's name, make sure to include the first and the last name to make sure the gift is delivered to the right person in case there are several people with the same name. Processing is faster if you make sure to fill out each of the rows in the appropriate address fields. But we understand that some international addresses can be confusing. If you're not sure how to break it down, just put the whole address in the address line field. Now make sure to include your recipient's phone number. This is very important for timely international delivery. The email field is optional, but it can also be very helpful. Now here comes the good part, the gifts. To select a gift, put the product name or product ID number in the field called product name from the website. Please don't include both the name and number on this line, one or the other is fine. Here is your quantity. This is especially important if you want more than one of the same gift to go to a single recipient. You can add a number of additional goodies like extra chocolates or treats into each basket if you want. If you do, just write the name of the addition in the options field. Now add the date you'd like your gifts delivered. Write the day first, followed by the month, then the year. Remember, if you're ordering corporate gifts for the holidays, offices are often closed a few days before, so make sure to choose a delivery date that includes open office hours. Finally, the message field is the place for your greeting card message. Make sure to include the signature on the card. This is the way your recipient will know who the gift is from. Now just repeat for each recipient, then email it back to us at corporate@RussianFlora.com. We will process your order, send you an invoice and a secure payment link where you can use your favorite payment method. Then you're done. If you need more help, we're here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to answer all your questions.
Call us at +1 617 904 3278.
Thank you for listening. I hope you have fun shopping.